95% of traders never make money. Not because the market is impossible, not because trading is a scam, but because most traders approach the market the wrong way. And if you stay until the end of this video, you'll understand the real reasons traders fail and what separates the small percentage who actually succeed. Let's start with the first reason. Reason number one, most traders want fast money. The biggest lie that attracts people to trading is this: trading is a quick way to get rich. You see screenshots of traders making thousands of dollars in a day. You see luxury lifestyles on Instagram. You see YouTube thumbnails promising $100 to $10,000 in 1 week. So beginners enter the market thinking trading is a shortcut to wealth. But the reality is very different. Trading is not a lottery ticket. It's a skill-based profession, just like medicine, engineering, or law. And skills take time to develop. Professional traders spend years studying the market, testing strategies, managing risk, and learning from losses. But beginners want results immediately, so they overtrade. They risk too much money. They chase every move in the market, and eventually they blow their accounts. Reason number two, no risk management. This is one of the biggest reasons traders fail. They focus on entries instead of risk. Most beginners are obsessed with finding the perfect strategy, the perfect indicator, the perfect entry point, the perfect signal. But professional traders know something beginners don't. Your strategy matters less than your risk management. Even the best traders in the world lose trades. In fact, many profitable traders only win 50 to 60% of their trades. The difference is that they control their losses. They risk small amounts per trade. They protect their capital. Because in trading, survival is everything. If you lose your account, you're out of the game. Reason three, emotional trading. The market is not just a financial battlefield. It's a psychological battlefield. Fear and greed destroy more traders than bad strategies ever will. When a trader loses a trade, fear takes over. They hesitate on the next setup. When they win a trade, greed appears. They increase their position size. They abandon their rules. And then comes revenge trading. A trader loses money and immediately tries to win it back. They enter random trades. They ignore their plan, and they lose even more. Professional traders understand this. That's why they treat trading like a business, not a casino. They follow rules, they follow a plan, and they stay disciplined. Reason number four, strategy hopping. Another reason traders fail is something called strategy hopping. Here's what usually happens. A beginner learns a trading strategy. They take a few trades, they lose, and then they immediately assume the strategy doesn't work. So they jump to another strategy, then another one, then another one. Support and resistance, ICT, smart money, indicators, price action, order blocks. Before long, their chart looks like a Christmas tree of indicators. But the truth is simple. No strategy works all the time. Every strategy has losing streaks. Professional traders understand this. They stick to one approach long enough to master it. But beginners are constantly searching for a holy grail strategy that never loses, and that strategy does not exist. Reason number five, lack of patience. Trading rewards patience, but most traders are impatient. They want to trade every day, every hour, every market move. But the market doesn't provide good opportunities all the time. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Professional traders often wait hours or even days for the right setup. But beginners force trades because they feel the need to be active, and forced trades usually lead to losses. Reason number six, unrealistic expectations. Another reason traders fail is because their expectations are completely unrealistic. Many beginners believe they can turn $100 into $10,000 in a few months. That kind of thinking leads to dangerous behavior. They over-leverage, they risk huge portions of their account, they chase massive profits, and eventually the market wipes them out. Professional traders think differently. They focus on consistency, not jackpots. A trader who can generate 3 to 5% per month consistently is already doing extremely well.
But beginners ignore this because it sounds too slow. Ironically, the slow approach is the one that actually works. Reason number 7, lack of education. Many traders enter the market without proper education. They learn from random TikTok videos. They follow influencers who are not actually profitable. They copy signals without understanding the strategy. But trading is not something you can master with shortcuts. You need to understand market structure, liquidity, risk management, trading psychology, and most importantly, how the market actually moves. Without this foundation, trading becomes gambling. The truth about the 5%. Now here's the interesting part. The 5% of traders who succeed are not necessarily smarter. They simply do things differently. They focus on risk management. They follow a structured trading plan. They control their emotions. They accept losses as part of the game. And most importantly, they treat trading like a long-term skill, not a quick money scheme. If you've been struggling with trading, don't assume it's impossible. But understand this, trading is not easy. It requires discipline, patience, education, and proper risk management. If you focus on those things, you already place yourself ahead of most traders. Because the market doesn't reward people who chase money. It rewards people who manage risk and stay consistent. And that is the difference between the 95% who fail and the 5% who survive and succeed.